Hello everyone, I'm coming to you today with a very quick, and I do mean quick, and simple Dollar Tree hack. So stay tuned and stick around and see what I have in store for you all. Hi everyone, so today I'm going to be showing you how you can just do like a little quick touch up to any wall. And I found these cute little butterfly die cutouts or die cuts at the Dollar Tree. Please excuse my ashy hands. But this would look so cute in my bathroom. So it has a couple of different assortment of colors. Like this has like a little blue shade. My bathroom is more of this color, almost like a turquoise type color. And then I really like this one here. So I'm going to take a couple of these butterflies, and this is something I also had found at the Dollar Tree a while ago that I actually have hanging up on my bathroom wall. But as you can see, whoops, didn't mean to tilt that. These colors really go cute with this. So I'm going to be just taking some double-sided tape, which I also got from the Dollar Tree that I bought a while ago, and I had this just laying around the house. No need for me to buy anything different, but I'll just use that. And I'm wondering, I might even probably put, there's some smaller butterflies, so I may put some smaller butterflies around the picture here. But then I have these little stickers. Let me see if I can zoom in where you can be able to see. It says, "Your grace is enough, redeemed. Where sin runs deep, your grace is more. You're the anchor for my soul." And read, pray, and repeat. And as you can see, those colors really go good with the paint that's on my wall as well. I found these stickers from the dollar store. And then I have this one above my little light switch here. And it says, "Your word is the lamp to my feet." And I just thought that was fitting to go here just because this is the light. You know what I'm saying? And so like, your word is the light, it's the lamp to my feet. You don't know. But anyway, I like that. So I'm going to be putting some butterflies around here. And I'll also put some butterflies around that area of this picture. And I'll probably even put like a few butterflies on the picture there, and then I will come back and I'll let you all see the end result, because I don't have any hope to have somebody film this for me while I actually tape the butterflies on there, but I don't feel like it's a hard video. So I'm just going to show y'all the before pictures. I don't know that I'm going to put any butterflies there, so I don't want like a butterfly explosion. So I'll show y'all this is the before, and then I'll show y'all the after. And I am back with the finished result. So I'm just going to get closer. Like, that is so pretty. And those butterflies really match the flowers. Like, the colors are just really cute. Just a little quick and simple update, just to make the bathroom look a little bit more, I don't know, put together, I guess. I guess that's the word I'm looking for right now. And then over here, like, I think this is so cute. I'm going to turn this way because I feel like I'm getting a glare. Like, look at that. Look at the pretty colors. And I feel like it brings the color of the paint out more. And it just gives it a cute little decorative splash of character. I don't like the angle from this camera this way. I'm going to turn this way. See how cute? And again, I only stuck with putting it on this side of the wall and that side of the wall. And as you can see, one of the butterflies fell. So I just got to put a little bit more tape on that one, because I started running low on my tape. It's completely empty. So I was like trying to take little small pieces, but I just got to get some more tape and put that one up there. But I mean, as you can see, you get the gist of it. It's cute to me. I like it. And I mean, I still have plenty of butterflies left over here in the bag. I don't know what I'm gonna do with those. I'll probably find another project to do something with those, but I don't want to overwhelm my walls with the butterflies. But hopefully you all like this simple, easy project from the Dollar Tree. Please like and subscribe, and you can even share this video. Thanks again for watching. Bye-bye. Okay, so I also thought this would look cute. This is up top of my sink. And this I didn't get from the Dollar Tree or the dollar store, but I forgot all about that I had this. I got this a while ago from Bath and Body Works, and I just feel like after having those little scent things you put in there, they don't last all that long. And I just put it up, and I said I was going to reuse it, and never did. And I actually came across it, and I was like, look at how cute that is. Like, oh my goodness, it all just came together. So that's another idea. Now, this thing here did come from the Dollar Tree. So I don't want y'all trying to come for me saying I thought this video was Dollar Tree hacks and she got stuff that ain't even from the Dollar Tree or whatever. But that's where that came from. So I was like, hey, I wasn't using it anyways, and it goes perfect with the color splash. So again, thank you for watching. Until next time.